What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the channel where we solve life's biggest problems and mysteries. Why does YouTube recommend a guy whispering at a microphone eating pickles at like 3 a.m.? Today, we're going to talk about finding your niche on YouTube, which is the most stressful sentence ever spoken to a human with a camera, because the moment you hear find your niche, your brain goes, oh no, am I supposed to become a finance guy now? And suddenly you're Googling how to explain crypto to people who hate math, best ring lights to fake confidence. Is it too late to become a guru? First off, just start off, relax, breathe, and sit down and put the manifestation journal away, because finding your niche is not becoming someone you hate. It's making content you don't watch, or pointing at words floating next to your head like you're in a hostage video. It's way simpler than YouTube bros want you to think. And so let's talk about it, all right? Every YouTube expert says you need a niche, and then refuses to explain it in a human language. A niche is not a prison, a personality transplant, or only one topic forever until death. A niche is simply who you're helping, why they're clicking, and what problem you're solving. That's it. Your niche is basically answering this question: why should this person watch this video instead of literally anything else on the internet? Including doom scrolling, watching dogs fall off couches, or a 6-hour video essay about Shrek being a communist. I don't even know. If you can answer that clearly, congrats, you have a niche. That's the crazy part of it all. And let me tell you why people struggle finding their niche. It's not because they're bad at creators. They're not bad creators at all. It's because they do this. They start YouTube, I'll just post whatever and see what happens, which is fine for about 3 weeks, and then they panic. Now their channel looks like one gaming video, one motivational speech, one vlog from Target, one podcast clip filmed in a car, and a video titled Big News. No news, never news, okay? And YouTube's algorithm is like, bro, who is this for? YouTube isn't bad. You're just confusing it. You can't walk into a restaurant and say, we serve pizza, sushi, tacos, lasagna, smoothies, car parts, and emotional support. You have to pick a lane, which is what I'm doing today. Here's the advice everyone gives, though. Just follow your passion. No, that's how you end up with 73 videos, 12 subscribers, and a deep resentment towards your once beloved hobby. Passion alone is not enough, because here's the truth. No one says YouTube doesn't reward passion, it rewards clarity. You can be passionate about underwater basket weaving, but if nobody knows who it's for, why it matters, or why they should click, then congratulations, you made a digital diary. Your niche lives at the intersection of 3 things: what you enjoy, enough to not quit, not what you love, what you can tolerate doing over and over. If the thought of making 100 videos about it makes you nauseous, then abort the mission. What about useful and not perfect by any means? You don't need to be the best. You need to be the one step ahead of somebody. You don't need to be a millionaire to talk about money. You need to be slightly less broke than yesterday. And this is what most people ignore. If no one is searching for it, struggling with it, or arguing about it, it's a tough niche. Pain plus curiosity equals clicks. And here's the fastest way to find your niche. Finish the sentence. I make videos for people who blank. Not everyone, anyone who wants to laugh, people with eyeballs. Be specific, all right? People who feel stuck in life, new YouTubers who are overwhelmed, adults who don't know how taxes work, parents who are tired but pretending they're not. If you can't name your audience, YouTube can't either, all right? So a lot of people, they say, I can't pick a niche. I like too many things. Cool, so do humans. And here's the trick. Your niche isn't what you talk about. It's how you talk about it. You can cover, multiple topics. If they serve the same audience with the same tone, solving similar problems. For example, you can talk about mental health, life advice, motivation, funny observations, and if the audience is people trying to get their life together without losing their mind, that's a niche. Here's a big one though for you, all right? Funny is not a niche. Funny is the flavor, not the meal. You don't say, I'm a funny restaurant. You say, I make tacos, but you funny tacos. Comedy is how you say it, and not what you say. So your niche might be life advice for overwhelmed adults, YouTube advice for beginners, and parenting chaos, mental health without therapy jargon. But the hook is, I say it in a way that doesn't make you want to unsubscribe immediately. Your first niche is like your first haircut. It's not great, but it's necessary. And I've had lots of them I've tried and I'm trying some right now. You don't need the perfect niche. You need a starting point. YouTube rewards consistency, clarity, and iteration, not perfection. And most successful creators, they didn't find their niche. They backed into it by noticing what people commented on and what got shared and what they didn't hate making. And here's the low pressure method. Pick one idea and make 10 to 20 videos, the same audience, the same general problem, the slight variations, and look at the watch times, the comments, the retention, and how you feel about making them. If you hate it, go ahead and pivot. And if it clicks, double down. If you're not married to your niche, you're just dating it. And if it's okay to ghost it, if it's toxic, it's all right. And everyone wants a massive audience, but YouTube prefers specific, loyal, engaged 10,000 people who feel like this was made for me. Is better than 100,000 who feel, it was fine. And niches grow outward. You don't start broad, you earn broad, all right? And less roast generally. Mistake number one. Copying big creators, you're not them yet, okay? And mistake number two mistake, chasing trends, only trends fade, confusions last. And mistake number three, switching every 3 videos, give ideas time to breathe, okay? You have to invest in the idea and give it time to see what YouTube does with it. Mistake number 4, overthinking it. Some of you need less strategy and more uploading, all right? And here's a clean way to define your niche. I help specific person with specific problem using your style. I help overwhelmed adults get their life together using humor as an example. I help new YouTubers grow without sounding like a motivational poster. I help parents laugh through chaos instead of crying in their car. Boom! That's it. That's all you have to do. And here's the truth nobody wants to hear. Your niche won't save you. Your consistency will. Your niche just helps people understand you faster. So stop waiting for clarity. Clarity comes after action. Post, learn, adjust, repeat, and remember, if you're confused about your niche, that just means you're early. You're not failing. So go upload something before YouTube recommends you another pickle whispering video. Thanks for watching. Watch one of these videos coming up in the feed afterwards, one of the 4 videos that's going to come up in just a second. I appreciate it. We'll catch you on the next one. Tucky Millennial out.